Hello, friends. So today, this is the lineup for the minimally Marie Kondo minimalist challenge, decluttering, free your mind, free your life kind of thing. So we used to have iPhones until my significant other's iPhone froze during an update of iOS, and we immediately went to the store and said, let's get Android phones. So that's great. And hey, I don't know if you have an iPhone. Maybe we'll go back to iPhones someday. But if we do, they're probably not going to have this Lightning charger adapter thing anymore. Remember when they had the dongle? Where's the dongle? I have one here. That what an epic fail the dongle was. There it is. Remember when you could put the regular jack into but you couldn't put it in the phone, so they had to make an adapter and they gave it to you. I think that was the iPhone 8. So anyway, I'm pretty sure that my niece and nephew have some of these. They still have iPhones, so I'm going to give and of course I disinfected them, with alcohol. So I donate those. So there's 3 things gone from my house that I'll never have to worry about again. If I get another iPhone, it'll either come with the headphones, or I'll just use wireless earbuds, which is what I use now anyway. So, and then this I found in my drawer when I was doing my silverware drawer cleanup. But can you see that I've run this through the dishwasher twice? I've scrubbed it, and I cannot get this residue out of here from whatever these deposits are. Probably from, this is a garlic press, so that's probably leftover garlic from whenever. But it's all stained, and it's a great hunk of metal. These are great. This is made by Oxo. I love their tools, but I am never going to use this again because I don't like this contamination that's in there. So this hunk of metal is going away. So continue to follow me on this journey. Smash that like button. That helps me so much, please. And if you want to continue to watch the journey, go ahead and hit subscribe and the bell button. And hopefully this gives you some ideas. Put your ideas in the comments below, because I always need new ideas on how to get rid of stuff. I don't just want to throw it away. A lot of times I want to donate it, but I don't know where to do that, how to do that. So if you can show me an easy way to do that, go ahead and enlighten me. Thanks, friends. I'll see you soon. Take care.